looks pretty beat up. Oh, we might be able to pull these panels off.
Let's break into this sucker.
Hell yeah!
This? Maybe?
I think we should use that hook we found.
Score. This could totally help us get inside.
Want me to get it?
It's high. Can I give you a boost and you grab it?
Easy.
Here.
Got it.
Okay. Back to the house?
Let's go. Wonder if my parents sent Corey out to look for me. They do sometimes, and he's so annoying about it.
Just don't get in trouble.
If only it were that simple.
Let me go first. To film?
Fine, but hurry up.
Cripes almighty.
Graceful entry, Swan. Don't worry, your camera survived. Come get it.
Okay. One sec. That's gonna leave a bruise.
Come, get your camera.
Jeez. Our day started out like Stand By Me, but ended up like Blair Witch. Can you see in there, Swan?
Here. Now, open the door.
Oh, geez. There's a lock. And it's kind of weird.
Locks aren't usually on the inside, you guys. Something's going on here.
So there's a bunch of symbols on this thing, but it's like a combination lock.
Maybe they wrote the code down? Can you check?
What was that? Huh? You didn't hear that?
No?
No. Oh, I swear I heard something, but...
What?
Do you remember that Bible we found? There was something about it. That's right. It's so fuzzy, though. What is this?
What do you see?
I see an attic.
Whoa! Check it out.
Careful, though. The floors might be kind of rotten. Cool. There was a ton of old stuff in there, right? It was like stepping into another time. I wonder why he never sent it. I would never have admitted it, but I used to think his ghost might be there.
Swan? Are you there? Marco?
There's some swirls on the wall here.
Oh, great. Psycho cabin guy was an artist.
Maybe you're right. It's weird. Kat told me she felt like that place wanted to be found. She was always saying weird stuff like that. It made me wonder if there was a ghost here,
Oh,
waiting.
you want me to talk? That's not what I meant.
Oh, I remember. The first dial was stuck in place.
I swear, if she doesn't get it open, I'll just break it down myself.
You in what army, shorty?
Your mom.
Open
Sesame.
My memories are getting cloudy.
I wish we could do something.
What was up there?
Waiting around is the worst.
Oh my god, I'm gonna pee my pants.
Please don't. Swan, you okay? Yeah, but this place is really weird. Oh, I can't wait for you to see it.
Okay, well, just try to hurry so we can get out of here.
someone talk so I don't fall asleep?
Let's just chill for a bit. Let Swan focus.
Fine.
So, when did you start working on this book? NaNoWriMo. A year back. I did not hit my daily word count targets.
Do come in.
Creepy.
Anyone home?
Not for a long time.
This is crazy.
I can't see anything.
Hello?
I say it's ours.
Yeah. We can all chip in and turn this place into a little hideout. Why don't we come back in a couple days?
Yes, during the day, preferably.
Until we meet again. Oddly enough, we found our way home after that.
Easily. As if we'd always known the way.
Hey, Mom! I'm calling someone, so don't pick up!
This is Swan Holloway. May I speak with Kat?
She can't really talk right now. What do you want? Actually, don't answer that. I don't even want to know. Just make it quick. Don't come whining to me if Mom catches you on the phone.
Dude, I was hoping you'd call. What's going on?
Hey!
Watching our video last night was awesome. But my mom went totally ballistic when I got back. She said the power going out was God's judgment for not honoring thy mother. I was like, okay, Mom.
It was crazy when the power went out. Like we were in a horror movie.
Our music video's gonna be so sick. Just wish we could have finished watching everything. You've got...
Oh, thanks, Kat. But my stars get all the credit. You guys killed it. I've never shown anyone my movies before.
Don't be so shy, Swan. Your shit is dope.
I never thought anyone would want to watch them.
Can't wait to see you later. At the cabin, right? Sorry, gotta make sure no one hears me. Swan?
I'm getting ready now. I can't wait to see you. And we'll finally get to see that abandoned cabin in the daylight.
Ugh, it feels like it's been forever since we were there.
It's only been 2 days, Kat.
Yeah, but time drags in this house. By the way, there's something I gotta tell you, but it's a secret. You've got to promise not to spill. Can I tell you?
If it's a secret, maybe you shouldn't tell me?
Really? It's not like it's a big deal, but whatever. I should go pack up. Walk with me later? I want to talk.
Yeah, totally. That sounds cool.
I really gotta go, though. And are you done reading The Willow Tree Coven yet? I want to borrow it.
Oh, yeah, I'll bring it.
Thanks. Oh my god. Corey's outside. I'm gonna throw a rock at him.
Aim for his junk.
Damn. Missed. Okay. Bye.
What else do I need? Our snacks, that book, oh, and the stuff in my trunk. Sorry, but you're gonna have to move, Fluff Butt.
Morning, Moth Girl.
Hey, buddy. I gotta get in my trunk. Can you move? No? Guess I can bribe you with some treats. Oh, where'd I put those? Oh, God. This one time, I swiped this lacy pink thong from a sale bin at that tacky lingerie store.
Swan, a shoplifter.
Yeah.
No
I
way.
feel like I was the type of girl who was allowed to be into sexy, girly stuff like that. I could have just bought it. Oh, but I was too embarrassed. Then when I got home, it wasn't even the right size. Of course. I so cannot forget to pack this. I would die if the new owners found it. Mom was excited that I'd made some friends, so she'd give me snacks to share once in a while. It was really nice of her. Normally, she only stocked healthy snacks in our house. She was always on some new diet.
They'll like these. Right, Fluff Butt?
Oh gosh. My mom used to get me those pads that felt like diapers.
Oh, no. Who wants to sit on blood all day? She wouldn't get you tampons?
She said only loose girls used them.
Wow.
I wish I was kidding. I never got good at using them. But I don't really mind. Just running down the clock at this point.
My God, I wish I brought some. I screamed it in his face when he brought Dylan home. Good. Did he cry?
Oh, now I can get into my trunk. Thanks, kitty.
Such a dude. Just glad we found him. I would have been on and on and on and on.
Can I ask you something?
Fire away.
Do you feel nervous about seeing Nora at all?
No way. I'm so excited to see her.
Yeah, I mean, I am too, totally. It's just been a long time.
I bet she's still the same old Nora.
That's kind of what I'm worried about. Anyway, sorry, I got sidetracked.
It's okay. I was just trying to remember what I brought to the cabin.
That's right.
Remember how much stuff we brought out to the cabin that summer? It was like a second home. I packed like a camper. You know, always be prepared. My sticker collection was something else. But which was my favorite?
Okay, that's everything. I should get going. Bye, Snowy. Love you. And don't tell Mom about the hideout. It's our secret, okay?
Hey, Swan. Tell me the truth. What was, like, your first impression of me? I mean.
I noticed that you're super passionate, especially when it comes to music.
Really? Yeah, music is like my life.
Yeah. What about me?
I'd never met someone who seemed as weird as me, so it felt like totally meant to be.
Oh, heads up!
Hi!
Here we go.
Should still be open. Ladies first.
Honey, I'm home.
Hello? Whoa. This place is even bigger than I realized.
Oh, I still get goosebumps thinking about that place.
For years, I wondered if I dreamt it.
We're back.
Oh. What should we do first?
Oh! I can maybe shoot a before and after video.
Yes! Let's do it.
I thought you were gonna call me again before you left, Kat.
Sorry. Swan called. Oh, fuck. This is awesome. It's like our secret base.
Like we're spies?
Or outcast.
It's our own witch's lair.
Yes, my pretty. Oh, hey! I can smoke inside and no one can stop me. Oh, guys.
What?
So Corey has been basically living in Dylan's room.
Uh-oh.
He almost caught me sneaking out today. Ugh, I gotta be careful, because he's a snitch.
Dude.
He said my parents don't want me seeing you guys. I hate that they were talking about me to him.
Don't worry. Corey won't find us here.
He's probably too dumb to go looking for you anyways.
You're right.
Okay, guys. I'm done. Anyone need some help?
I just wish I could see that place again. Sometimes it feels like we imagined it.
I know what you mean. It was special. And we made it ours.
So I'm gonna try and empty the fireplace. I wanna get it set up so we can roast some marshmallows.
I'll be outside.
S'mores. It was so much work. But we all pitched in.
We made that cabin ours, but it was so much more than that. It had a history of its own. Ew, gross, Swan!
It's not gross. We've got skulls too, you know.
Yeah, well, I don't want to see a human skull either.
I wonder if anyone ever died in here.
Dude, why would you even say that?
I mean, the odds are probably, like, so high.
Need a hand?
Nah. Taking a ciggy break.
Oh. Cool.
It's too hot. Oh, we should just go skinny dipping in the lake instead. Ugh. These bugs are defending the spider webs? Dude, I'm gonna freak if another one of these little shits flies into my eyeballs.
Oh, they won't hurt you. Promise.
You know what'd be killer? If we had some paintball guns to play with out here.
Whoa.
There's this park in LA by my mom's place. But the guys won't let me in their games. They know I'll take them out. Fuck them.
They must be shy around girls. Not that I know anything about guys. It's just a guess.
Really?
Guys don't even know I, exist.
I wouldn't be so sure about that. You're cute, you know?
Oh? My self-esteem was low back then. Nora could definitely tell. Just one sec.
What was that?
Just a moth. I didn't want to freak you out.
What? Where? On me?
It's not poisonous, promise.
How do you even know that?
Because I love bugs.
Well, I love you. You saved me.
I'm gonna go see if Autumn or Cat need a hand.
Protect me, Autumn?
Hey, I've seen you work a fly swatter. You've got the skills.
Yeah.
Cool mushrooms. Huh? Did you know mushrooms decompose decaying matter?
Gross. Dude, this place makes me miss camping. You and your parents ever go?
Yeah, I still go hiking on my own. Dad can't carry a big pack since he had his knee surgery.
Nah, you should go with a buddy. Safety in numbers, dude.
You're probably right. My mom always says that I should be less of a loner.
Oh, God. Are you saying I sound like your mom? No, thanks.
No, sorry. That's not what I meant.
It's okay. I just thought you knew me better. I'm not judgmental like that.
Yeah, you are. Just kidding.
Shut up! Shut up!
Sorry. I'm so awkward sometimes.
It's all right. Okay. I think I'm at my limit here. Not sure what's worse, the slimy shrooms or the animal bones.
Oh, I can clear out the rest for you. I don't mind dirt and stuff.
Dude, it's so gross. Anyone got a flamethrower?
I have my lighter. Let's burn it.
Oh, I want those mushrooms for my terrarium.
Be my guest.
Oh, I kept that terrarium for years. Oh, I miss my little stick bug, Twiglet. He lived in there.
Cool that you're so into, plants and stuff. I bet you totally aced bio. Nora always fell asleep in that class. But I liked it.
I just love how nature finds a way in strange places. Like how some trees will bend to find the light.
Oh, cool. We read about that in Earth Science.
Really? I haven't taken that yet.
You should. Bet you'd like it. Not bad, right?
Wow.
Come here. Check it. You, me, Nora, and Cat. Fire's going.
Oh, in s'mores.
Sure. And pizza. Booze for Nora, of course. Game night! Thanks for the help, Swan. This is gonna be awesome.
It is. Actually, I think I'm gonna start unpacking my bag.
Cool. I'll be over here.
Do you ever... We used to spill our guts in front of that fireplace.
Especially you and Kat. I couldn't keep up with you two half the time.
Oh, I brought a bunch of stuff.
Swan, can I ask you something?
Sure. Shoot.
It makes sense that we buried some of the bad shit that went down. But why did we forget the good memories too? Honestly, it makes me feel a little crazy. Our cute little casita. I'm like, how could I ever forget that?
Maybe we're all a little crazy. What could be crazier than meeting up again after all this time?
True. Especially after our promise.
Okay, guys. I unpacked all my stuff. Want to check it out?
Yeah, but come here for a sec.
I like blue.
But purple's more punk, right? What do you think, Nora?
Gold. It'll stand out that way.
Ooh, what you doing?
We're making this sign, banner thingy for the band.
Guys, listen. It should really be blue.
Purple's the best color, period. Nora wants gold, but, like, nah.
No, yes! Gold, gold, gold!
Speaking of good memories...
I had to play tiebreaker as usual.
That's right. For the Bloomin' Rage banner, we made Kat wanted blue, I chose purple, and Nora picked gold.
Oh, I loved your purple idea.
Great minds think alike.
Ooh, gold's still better.
One sec, guys.
Perfecto.
Thanks. I was like a groupie. Anything to help the band.
Hey, let's go outside. Swan, you have to check out the lake. Oh, follow me. We cleared a path.
Well, I cleared it. Nora was mostly there for moral support.
Sounds about right.
We can just pretend we're rock stars vacationing in Malibu.
Rock stars don't even need the beach. They have their own private pools.
Oh my god, that would be so sick.
I wonder why they chose to build it there. Were they drawn to that spot like we were?
Oh, come on, slowpokes. The lake's right here.
Nice! Our own private beach!
Ha! I knew
not bad. It's actually kind of perfect.
Dude, get over here. Join us, Swan.
Coming.
Fuck, Swan. Check this out. It's disgusting. Wonder how it died.
Look, it's right by me. Oh, poor guy. Got it.
Ugh, I just hope 100 didn't get it.
I bet it died of natural causes.
Yeah. Or else it'd probably be taxidermy by now. Ugh.
Swan, will you turn on the radio? Pretty please.
Sure.
No rush if you want to keep filming.
Check this out.
It's me.
hideout, remember? Oh, what was it again? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Fawn's Rest.